record on the same people. All right, let's check out the guide.
Yeah, so what I did to take it to another level, instead of just doing the basic standard marketing material, I took it to the next level. And so in the front of the guide here, you see the house, and in the front of it, you have all of the pictures of how the house looks right now. And then as you see across the top here, it has design, renovation, and style guide. And so you literally just flip this open and bada bing. All the renderings, all the renovations that you guys did. And so what I did was at the top, I put the inspiration of the vision. And at the bottom, I put how the house looks right now. So you can see, all right, here's what we did there. And people really loved because you guys you were able to put a mother-in-law suite on the property just to see how it will look. And people, when they went to the backyard, they said, "Oh, where's the mother-in-law suite?" My friend, that's the vision. I am so happy that you can see the vision, and they really like that. And so I'm very thankful that that worked out very well.
Good.